News on Fox 50. Coverage you can count on.
We've been hearing a lot about the rebound in the housing market, but is this good news for everyone? We're joined right now by veteran real estate broker and analyst Al Schneid to talk about the housing recovery. I know you've been crunching those numbers.
I have.
After eating your hot dogs and crunching the numbers. We were kidding earlier about one of our crew members saw you down at one of our favorite eating places, right?
Yep, we agree it's the favorite.
So the bottom line is anything 400 and less is really selling fast right now. Anything over that is in the iffy zone.
It is. The 400 has been under has been strong since the housing recovered early last year, and it's steady that way. The numbers look the same. 400 to 600, 400 to 700 is kind of on the fence, maybe a little better, but not great. Over 7 is those poor owners are not participating in.
That'd been better to own 2 homes.
Yeah, exactly.
One big one.
Yes.
Why is it so sluggish in that category?
Well, I think there are 2 things, and they're related. One is the economy. The people that are buying those kind of homes are executives and the job creators, essentially. And we haven't seen big job creation, and so I don't think those people are comfortable investing. And secondly, that affects the lenders. And getting loans, jumbo loans, is not an easy process these days.
It's more difficult than it was 5 or 6 years ago.
And it sounds like it's 5 times as hard to get one of those loans today as it was 5 or 6 years ago.
Al, what is the hottest market in the Triangle right now in terms of real estate?
There are several. Inside the Beltline is hot. Morrisville is real hot. Cary is hot. They're among the hottest. Wake Forest is got pretty revved up, pretty good. Holly Springs is doing pretty well. I've shown in all of those in the last month or 2, and they're all seeing a lot of traffic.
How about housing prices? Are they climbing?
Have not seen it. I don't see it in appraisals. I just had a couple of appraisals I looked at that I don't really see appreciation there yet. We haven't seen it in the...
Now, is that because there's a lot of building going on? And
it is.
There's competition there. You know, got new, fresh homes and then the older homes.
Yeah, and you have to remember, we had an awful lot of inventory. So we had a lot to burn off. And so even though demand is way up and sales are up, we burned off the excess inventory. But the builders are coming on strong. Permits are up 45% in the last quarter.
So what does it look like for the rest of the year? Continue robust recovery?
Yeah, I think so. I don't see any sign that says we're slowing down at all. I just hope we move the price point up that people get to benefit from the recovery.
And if there's one little bit of advice you'd give to someone who's looking to buy a home right now, what would it be?
Depending on the area, the pickings could be a little thin, and so you want to really plan your way through that and you're going to spend some time looking for homes, but
know what you want and then be decisive about it.
Yes, and don't wait. Okay. If you see one you like, jump on it.
Go for it. Al Schneid, thanks so much.
You're
Always
welcome.
A pleasure.
Yeah, thanks. Great to be here.
All right, Michelle, back to you.